Oh my goodness. Well, hello everybody. I did this rendition through and through immaculately to the bone T, and my phone cut out. So I don't know how that happened, but I'm gonna try to get that down once again. My arm is just burning, but that's alright. We're gonna get right to it. Man, I hope that worked for a second time throwing through. Bone accurate to the T with a hell of a lot of fun, man. This is Johnny Boy AK Rebel once again, man. Open your chins up with all of this as well as it is for me. All around the table. I hope you all had a good one with us and you had a great day as well. Till next time, man. Peace.